Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to cap and uncap frame rate in CS2 or Counter-Strike 2. Okay, first things first, while in game, access your settings and navigate to the game section. Make sure to enable the developer console option, and enabling this allows you to open the console and use commands to enhance your gaming experience. Show then the FPS command, and now that the developer console is enabled, you can access it in the game. Just press the tilde key on your keyboard. This key is typically located just above the tab key and below the ESC key. You can also change the key to open the developer console in your Counter-Strike settings if needed. Open then the developer console and use the command CL _ show FPS2 to display your current frame rate. Note that this command may limit your frame rate to 60 FPS if you are in the game menu. To uncap your frame rate during gameplay, just use the command +FPS _ max 0. Adding the 0 at the end of this command ensures that your frame rate will not be limited by the game. For most players, it is recommended to cap your frame rate to your monitor's refresh rate or slightly higher for smoother gameplay. And here are some suggestions. If you have a 60 Hz refresh rate, consider setting the cap to 80 FPS. If you are using a 144 Hz monitor, setting the cap to around 160 FPS is a good choice. Feel free then to experiment with different FPS cap settings to find out what works best for your setup and preferences. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now cap and uncap frame rate in CS2. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!